Challenge number 2070, drop char. Drop a specified char from a string. For example, butterfly, drop char, butterfly with a lot of spaces in between. You drop the space, then it's only butterfly. Let's check out the code. It's another string manipulation. That's quite nice because that means it's probably rather easy, and we are walking through the string letter by letter. Infer L, the first letter, and then infer rest, the rest of the string. If we match this pattern, then we are checking, does L extend char C? That has to be dropped. If that's the case, we return drop char with the rest and C. Otherwise, we return a string that starts with L and goes on with a drop char on the rest and C. And if this pattern doesn't match anymore, then we're at the end of the string, we just return S. And as you can see, all test cases pass. We can actually improve this solution a little bit by not going through the string letter by letter, but instead checking, does there come anything? Then C, so the character we wanna replace, we have to constrain C to a string, and then we can remove this check because we already know that this matches, and then we can always just drop char, call drop char again with L and rest. If it doesn't match, then we return S. Sorry, obviously we have to put in here the character at the end that has to be dropped, so C. And before C, we have to put in a string with L and the rest. And then we have an even more concise solution. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.